The seed of artificial intelligence was sown in the earliest days of computing, during the mid-20th century. In the year 1950, a brilliant mathematician named Alan Turing proposed the idea of a universal machine capable of simulating any human intellect. This was the first notion of what we now call AI. Just 6 years later, in 1956, John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence at the Dartmouth Conference. This event is widely considered the birth of AI as a field of study. McCarthy and his colleagues dreamed of creating machines that could mimic human intelligence. Throughout the 60s and 70s, AI research was heavily funded and progressed rapidly. The focus was mainly on problem-solving and symbolic methods. During this period, the first AI programs were developed, which could solve algebra word problems, prove theorems in geometry, and learn to speak English. However, by the 80s, the initial optimism began to wane. AI had failed to deliver on its promises, leading to a period known as the AI winter, characterized by reduced funding and interest in the field. But as the saying goes, it's always darkest before the dawn. The late 90s and early 2000s saw a resurgence in AI, driven by advances in machine learning and the availability of large amounts of data. AI started showing its potential in practical applications, such as speech recognition, image processing, and even playing chess. In the year 2012, a significant breakthrough occurred when a neural network won the ImageNet competition, setting a new standard for image recognition. This event marked the rise of deep learning, a subset of machine learning inspired by the human brain's architecture. Fast forward to the present day, and AI is everywhere. It powers our search engines, recommends what movie to watch next, and even drives our cars. We've come a long way since Turing's universal machine, but the journey of AI is far from over. To recap, the history of artificial intelligence is a roller coaster ride, starting with Turing's theoretical universal machine in the 50s, moving through the optimism and subsequent disillusionment of the 60s to 80s, and culminating in the resurgence of the late 90s and the present day. It's a story of determination, innovation, and an unwavering belief in the potential of technology. And as we stand on the precipice of new discoveries and advancements, one can only wonder where this journey will take us next.